Hey, what's going on, guys? Zach Aurelius here for USA Gundam Store to tell you all about the big sale that's going to be going on to celebrate Apex's 10th birthday here from April 16th through the 19th. That's Thursday through Sunday. Everything on the site is going to be 20% off. All you've got to do is use that code APEX2026 at checkout, and it'll take 20% off your entire order, in stock, pre-order, whatever you're ordering there on the website. And the good news, if you're one of the first 500 people to place an order of $200 or more, that's after the 20% off and before your shipping is added. If your total in your cart is $200 and you're one of those first 500 people to place an order for that amount, you're gonna get an extra gift bag in there as well that has some stuff that I actually showed you guys in a previous video that has tools, it has decals, it has a limited edition Kali sticker in there as well. That's only gonna be available in these gift sets, so definitely don't miss out on that. And as I showed you guys in the previous video as well, there's also gonna be 15 orders that are just going to get a random gift box in there as well with a whole bunch of Apex goodies, the Apex model kit, of course, some more tools, some more limited keychains and stuff in there. So there's a whole bunch of stuff that's gonna be going out in a few lucky orders now. And on top of all of that, we've also got some kits that we're gonna be giving away for you guys as well. So after the sale is done, we'll go through and we'll just pull random order numbers, and that's how we're going to give away these kits here. So here is the list of the giveaway kits that are up for grabs this time around. First of all, we're going to be getting 2 early copies of the Colada kit here, one of which I'm going to be live building here on the channel, so stay tuned for that in the near future. The other one is going to be one of the giveaway prizes that's up for grabs for you guys. Aside from that, we've also got the SNA Soul Spear Lamarak. We've got the SNA Full Particle Awakening Armament Fire Lord. That's the Phantom Flame Soul version of the Fire Lord, the 2-tone Fire Lord. We're also going to be giving away a Regus, an RG Wing Gundam Zero, an MG Gundam Barbatos Lupus, an MG Freedom Gundam version 2.0, an MG Gundam Heavy Arms EW version, an MG EX Strike Freedom Gundam, as well as a few Gundam-based exclusives like the RG New Gundam Double Fin Funnel version, the RG Sazabi Special Weapon version, and the MG Unicorn Gundam Crystal Body version. Those are all Gundam-based exclusive kits. And then on top of that, we're also going to be tossing into just 10 random orders, 10 Apex model kits that'll just go in with your order. So if you get your order in, you got a surprise extra bonus Apex kit in there. You've got that, as well as some bonus ARC 782 model kits that are going to be going out in some orders as well. So all of these giveaways are going to be announced later after the sale. And if it's an item that you guys already have ordered, you've already pre-ordered the item, for example, in the case of the Colada, and or it's the case that the item that you happen to win was an item that you ordered, in that case, we would just refund you the cost of the item. Or like I said, if it's the case of the Colada, you end up being the one that wins it, but you already had it pre-ordered, we'll just refund you the cost of the pre-order in that case and send it to you early. So that's an added bonus. So anyway, that's everything that you guys should need to know about the sale. Definitely check it out. And just as an added reminder to you guys, this Saturday here in Daytona Beach at USA Gundam Store is going to be build day. Come check it out. If you want to join the Gunpla workshop all about weathering with me before build day, you can sign up for that as well. I'll put a link down in the video description if you guys also want to sign up for the Gunpla workshop. But that's it, guys. Hope that you will enjoy the sale and find some cool stuff there on the website. Like I said, everything in stock and pre-order is all going to be 20% off. So just make sure to use that coupon code APEX2026. And happy birthday, Apex. See you guys.